I'm Mike Shanko. I'm head of infrastructure and infrastructure security with U-Haul. We provide moving services and value-add services for really all your moving needs. Our customers are expecting changes and new exciting things in our applications every day, higher demand for more products. The demand on IT to make those application changes and the DevOps culture, really deploying releases every day puts a very high demand and strain on all things and all teams, whether it's the support teams or the infrastructure teams. One of the reasons why we've driven to having monitoring tools like Dynatrace in place is we're not able to really pinpoint issues when they arise, and it's necessary for us to be able to fully understand the transaction and understand how the application is calling data all the way through, and therefore be able to provide the better support for the business. Our primary challenge has been able to keep up with that pace and keep the systems up and operational without fail. We were using a number of different products from the infrastructure side, application side, and database management, and we're looking at actually reducing some of those and eliminating them because we now have Dynatrace. Dynatrace is more dynamic. With many of the monitoring tools that you purchase, you spend an awful lot of time building out the capability and doing the discovery. With Dynatrace, a lot of that comes out of the box. It's a lot easier to use. It doesn't take a PhD in that product in order to figure out how to extract data. The data that we're collecting with Dynatrace is transactional data. So we're seeing what our customers are doing in our systems all the time. And that's a powerful business tool. That's no longer an IT tool. That is something that the business can use to make educated business decisions. And that's been very well received by the team, by executives alike. Dynatrace allows us to look deep into a lot of the different areas where these specific monitoring tools played before, and now we're getting value. We're getting alerts. We're being able to take action on those alerts, be more proactive, and now start talking about things like automation and AI. If you think about what a traditional environment looks like for IT, when something breaks, it's usually a lot of this going on, finger pointing in all different directions. With Dynatrace, it's very easy to figure out where those problems exist. Instead of spending our time trying to figure out what's wrong, we spend our time fixing it, and that's obviously improved our response and restoration time and helping our team members to sleep easier, spend their Saturdays with their families instead of with me. You definitely don't feel like you're just a number, you feel like you're a part of the Dynatrace ecosystem.